overnight at the train yard packing freight. He never pictured his life this way, but now he's got 2 kids to feed and a mortgage that can't be late. On his own, won't look back, better luck tomorrow. Gotta fight for one more day. Around midnight, they call it quits.